God's love is eternal, unwavering, and boundless. John 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world. God's love is a cornerstone of faith and belief. Romans 5 verse 8. God demonstrates his love for us. Love is expressed through sacrifice and grace. 1 John 4 verse 9. God sent his only Son into the world. God's compassion knows no limit or boundary. Psalm 136 verse 26. His love endures forever. God's love is patient and never fails. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 8. Love is patient. Love is kind. God's love calls for reciprocal kindness and compassion. 1 John 4 verse 19. We love because he first loved us. Acceptance of God's love brings peace and joy. Zephaniah 3 verse 17. He will rejoice over you with singing. Faith in God's love gives strength and hope. Psalm 86 verse 15. You, Lord, are a compassionate God.